Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can link between pages, notes or documents in your account on Saner AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your document or note in your account on Saner AI. To do that, look into your account, expand the Knowledge tab to the left on the left sidebar and navigate to the folder where you saved your note. I would like to link these two notes for the sake of this tutorial. So access the first one. Open it, and after that guys, what you want to do is start a new command and enter the command / and then link, and you will see this suggested action below, link to page. Select it, and after that select the page or note or document from your Knowledge tab here. I said I would like to link to this one here, so that's this one. Click into it, and there it is. Now we can close the document, and if you return to it guys, you will see that link. So if you click into it, you will be automatically redirected to the other one. As you can see, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.